Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Today we are going to see a new topic on my channel, which is about reflexology, and I'm going to tell you some points that you have in your hand. This is basically like acupressure for your hand and how it can help you in getting better skin, better health and happiness, all of that. So the very first thing that I have to give certain disclaimers before we jump into the video is that I am not a reflexologist. This you can do additionally. It does not have any side effects, but please don't replace your normal medicinal routine with this. So let's talk about the very first point, which is your heart point. And obviously we all know how important the heart is for you. It's going to improve the blood circulation, and with that it's also going to help you in insomnia, in anxiety, depression, so stress, all of that. So the point is exactly like in the crease here, like you go down from your pinky finger like that, and there will be this crease here, and to this one here is a point just adjacent to the bone. So when you press it here now along this line here, you will feel a depression, and next to that is the bone. So just before that bone is the depression, and this is the point that you have to press. So be like mindful, don't apply a lot of pressure, but definitely do apply a small pressure, and you can press this one for around 30 seconds in the initial, like in the beginning. Then eventually you can increase it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 5 minutes also you can do that. After that, we're going to talk about the another major organ, that is lung. So there are basically 3 meridian points for lung. So there is one point here, just on this edge of your thumb here. One is here, one is here, and one is here. So you can press these points, and if you have any kind of soreness or any such thing, you will feel kind of pain. I am feeling a little bit, and I do feel sometimes that I don't breathe that deeply as I should be. So if you are also like me, you might be having a little bit of soreness in these points. So you can be like rubbing it like this, so that all the 3 points get activated at once, and it helps so much in improving the lung health. So after that, the next point that you are going to press is at the very center of your palm here, and this point is for kidney, and we all know how important kidneys are. And if you press it here and if you feel some kind of pain or so, that means either you are having issue with kidney, or maybe down the line, like 4 or 5 years, you might have. So press this one for 30 seconds like this at the very center of your palm, like here. Next point that we're going to talk about is another important organ, and that is your eyes. So where do you find this point? Just in between this middle finger and your index finger is this point here that you have to press. And if you're not able to press it from here, you can also be doing like this. You can do like this, and this will help in improving the circulation, and it will also help in your eyesight. So next point that I'm going to talk about is another important point, because it is for your metabolism, for your weight loss, for improving your skin health, and so that is basically a digestive point which will improve your digestion. So how would you find that is, you just keep your 3 fingers like that across. This is your this thing, wrist line here. Just across that, keep your 3 fingers like that, and after that, the point that you find here is your inner gate point, and this you have to press firmly with your thumb like that, and do that for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. So similarly, as you were pressing the inner gate, you will be pressing the outer part of your arm. So you just take the same way, 3 fingers across from this point of where your palm ends to the back of your arm, and then here you're going to press for 30 seconds again. This point helps in improving your immunity. It will also give you a lot of energy boost. So don't do it like during the night time. You don't want to feel energetic at that time, but definitely you can do it during the daytime when you are feeling little fatigued or tired, or if you really need a boost of energy, then you can be pressing this point. Alright, so next one, which is also another important and from which I actually got the results and I thought of trying the other points, is the thyroid point, which is going to help you so much if you are having hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. So this area, which is like our raised area of our palm here on the thumb, just below your thumb area, this one, the raised part, this is the one that you have to press. And so this is the point for thyroid. Another point you can press here is if you are having a lot of headaches or toothache or so, you can press this just in the middle of your index finger and your thumb. You can press this point. You can massage this point to relieve any kind of headaches that you might be having. So these were some of the points that I've been massaging and I've been getting good results, and I'm sure you will also get. Just be consistent with them. So I'm also thinking of sharing with you some hair care videos, like the hair loss remedies and how I color my grays and all. If you really want to see that, do comment below. I'll be more than happy, and do take care. Bye.